All right, today we're going to show you how to take secondary clutch off Kawasaki Ridge. I've done a lot of the work for you already. Real quick, where we at, you do not have to have a lift. You do not have to take the tire off, but you do have to take the inner fender well out and the clutch cover off. Real easy to get off. It's just some push pins. I use some of the wire cutter dikes to grab a hold of them and pull them out, and then take all the screws out of the cover, and the cover essentially falls off after. Easy to get off. All that didn't take a whole lot of brain power, but there's a few little things on the secondary you'll need to know about, hence the video. Okay, so our belt is already off. We have a video show you how to remove the belt using Hunterworks belt change screw. Screws into the secondary right there and spreads it, allows you to get it off. All right, so our belt is off. We're going to take a 19 millimeter socket on our impact, and you're going to put it in the direction that you would normally tighten a bolt because it is left-hand thread. Okay, you want to hold on to your secondary clutch. All right, pull your bolt out and slide it off. Okay, there are some of these vehicles that's got just a ton of grease. It's supposed to have grease inside of here because there's some pins. One of the reasons you'd want to take this off is there's a maintenance interval due to these pins inside this clutch, and that's why you'd want to take it off, get a Hunterworks spring compressor, get it apart, clean it, re-grease it, put it back together. So let's just slide it back on. It has a spline shaft and there's barely enough room. Sometimes it's a booger. Just keep turning it till the splines line up. There we go, all the way on. Now, here's a key piece of information. One, you're loosening to tighten. All right, and this is the key to this. Service manual calls for 100 foot-pound torque. Honestly, I think they got that off the bolt size. Most secondary clutches are 50 foot-pounds and less, and there's nothing special about this that you would ever need to torque it that much. My liability answer is you should torque it to 100 foot-pounds. Me personally, I'm using my impact and I know when to quit. There's no good way to hold it. We tried our torque tool that we use on our primary to hold it while you're torquing. I mean, you could finagle it around, but we would never sell it for that. You know, I mean, you literally could use it to hold it against something. If you go watch that video, you'll see. But me personally, I'm not torquing this secondary. I just know when to stop. Okay, but liability answer is 100, and you decide how to hold it. So put your impact in reverse, hold it, and that's good to me. Some of the people have made comments. You talk about finger control. I don't have finger control. This is just one of those spots. You let your conscience be your guide on what you want to do about that bolt. The main thing was it's left-handed, and if you didn't know it and you had a big old impact, you could twist that bolt off. All right, so that's simple as that. Got another video how to pull the primary off using our clutch puller and holding tool, and then we got a belt change video. So if you got any questions, Todd@hunterworks.com. Make sure you subscribe and like so you keep abreast of any future Kawasaki Ridge videos. Thanks.